My name is Lois Politi, and today I'd like to share with you some of the thoughts on twin soulmates and how they could be helpful for us in our lives today. The idea of soulmates is that we can learn from them and they can learn from us. They also can give us some ideas of how we can help balance out and learn lessons of life, of not giving ourselves so much negative thoughts, and learning how to deal with our emotions throughout our lifetime. We have relationships, and some of those are going to be helpful, knowing about how we feel about them. Also, we can learn about some of the energies of being compatible with soulmates as well as in relationships. It is important for that to happen because we are not listening to people or partners or marriage partners for us to learn from them and them to learn from us about how we interact with each other. These lessons are for our well-being, for us to grow up and mature. It is a time for us all on the planet to learn about who we are, why we're here, and what we're about. It is also important to learn about who we will become, learning about ourselves, our emotions, and not keeping some of the old emotions of our past and even our present. We need to release it. So we need a complementary partner, or a partner that would be a helpmate to ourselves, to learn about how to release some of these things that have been very painful for us and even very happy for us. I'd like to share this with you and know that it's important for our well-being. It'll prevent us from getting illnesses, because many of our illnesses are based on our emotions, and the emotions have a long-reaching effect on us. So when we interact with partners or friends or lovers, we can know that they have an impact on us in a positive or a negative way. So I think sharing this idea with you all is important for your future relationships, your past relationships, and knowing about this type of concept called twin soulmates, is that it's more, the twin soulmate is more your same energy, same frequency, same essence and spark that has been told to me in articles. It's important to know that some of the people that we come in contact with are really positive with us. They give us positive feedback, but it is not always the case in some.
Stop.